Welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy, Conditionals and Control Flow section, lesson Boolean Operators. Let's look at a set of operators that let us use control flow in our programs. These operators are called Boolean Operators. There are three Boolean operators that we will explore. Let's start with the first one, AND. The AND operator is represented in Java by double ampersand, which is AND. It returns a Boolean value of true only when the expression on both sides of the AND are true. For example, the code below shows one outcome of the Boolean operator AND. So system.outPrintln, we have true and true. So since both values on each side of the AND are true, this will return a true. The code below shows the rest of the possible outcomes of the Boolean operator AND. So the following expressions use the AND Boolean operator. Let's see this. We have false and false. Well, we just read that both need to be true for it to be true. So since none are, then it prints false. Here we have false and true. Only one is true. So that's still not fulfilling the AND. So it prints false. And here we have, again, one true and a false. There needs to be two trues, and there isn't. So we get a false. We can also use the Boolean operator AND with Boolean expressions such as the following. Here we have, it's going to print out, is 2 less than 3? No. Wait, it is. And is 4 less than 5? It is. So this would print out true because 2 is less than 3 and 4 is less than 5. The example above will print out true because the statement 2 is less than 3 and 4 is less than 5 are both true. Instructions: use the AND operator and any two Boolean expressions of your choice between the parentheses of system.outPrintln in order to print out a value of true or false to the console. So they want us to use any two Boolean expressions here. So we can do true and false. What should this print out? Well, since only one of them is true, this should print out false. Let us do that. So we did get that false, and as you guys can see, we did pass it. So Boolean operators basically allow us to choose, well, this specific Boolean operator, the AND, allowed us to make sure that two values are true and then returns a true value. We'll learn more why this is important. I didn't really like how this lesson explained it. I mean, it did show you guys, but later we're going to see why this is even relevant. Why would we want to either return true or false? Well, we might want our code to do things depending on whether or not something is true or false. And again, we will go over these more in the following lessons so you guys can better understand what's going on. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.